you know that eating eggs the wrong way could actually be harming your health? Don't worry, you're not alone in this. A lot of people are making these common mistakes without even realizing it. In this video, we'll uncover the top mistakes people make when eating egg and how you can avoid them. Eggs are nutritious and have many health benefits, including being a source of protein, vitamins, nutrients, minerals. They are just very nutritious. They can also help you with weight loss. They help you maintain healthy skin and hair. They help lower the risk of cardiovascular disease. But with all these benefits and good things about egg, we still make a lot of mistakes that makes this very nutritious egg to be very harmful to our health. Mistake number 1, overcooking your eggs. Have you ever seen that weird green ring around the boiled egg yolk? That's caused by a chemical reaction between the iron in the yolk and sulfur in the white. It's harmless, but overcooking eggs can destroy the essential nutrients like vitamin B and antioxidants. Instead, aim for a perfectly cooked egg with a soft, creamy yolk. When boiling, just boil for like 9 to 12 minutes. Don't overboil. That's when you end up getting that colored yolk, that greenish colored yolk. So overcooking over everything is bad. Don't overboil it. 9 to 12 minutes is enough. If you're frying as well, don't over fry it. This is also diminishing the nutrient, the protein content of that egg. Mistake number 2, eating raw egg. Some people believe that eating raw egg is the best way to get the protein and nutrients. But do you know that raw eggs contain salmonella? Cooking eggs not only make them safe, but it helps your body absorb the biotin and all the vitamins for your hair, your skin, your nails. So think twice before adding that raw egg to your protein shake. Mistake number 3, discarding the yolk. Many people prefer eating just the white part of the egg and then they discard the yolk. If you're throwing away your egg yolk, you're missing out on the powerhouse of nutrients. Yes, yolk contains cholesterol, but you know, these cholesterols have essential vitamins like vitamin D, vitamin A, choline, which support brain health. In fact, there's good cholesterol, there's bad cholesterol. So that cholesterol in the egg yolk is the good one. Unless you have dietary restrictions, eating whole eggs is the way to go. Mistake number 4, storing eggs incorrectly. Where do you store your egg? If you keep them on the fridge door, you might be making a mistake. The constant temperature changes when opening and closing the fridge can cause these eggs to spoil faster. Instead, store them in the main section of your fridge to keep them fresh for longer. In fact, they can last for like 3 to 5 weeks if you keep them in the cooler section of your fridge, not at the edge. I know most of all these fridge of these days, they create it in such a way that you even see a compartment by the side of the fridge specifically for eggs. No, store your eggs properly. Mistake number 5, not washing your hands properly after handling raw eggs. Handling raw eggs without washing your hands can spread bacteria around your kitchen. Always wash your hands after handling eggs to prevent cross-contamination and keep your food safe. The thing is, if you touch egg, whether the raw one or even before breaking the egg, it's always good to wash your hands. You see the body of that egg when you've not even broken it. Wash it. Don't just carry egg, cook. You're not even practicing hygiene. You need to wash your hands, wash the egg itself, because this egg, you see, they contain salmonella. Imagine, I'm sure you know how egg is being made. They have, of course, they have the agric ones and all of that, but the chickens are the one that lay these eggs, so the body is contaminated. You need to wash your hands after. Even the plates you use in breaking the egg, you know, where I always advise, don't just break your egg directly into the pot. You break it into a bowl before you transfer into your frying pan or your pot. Now that bowl where you have the raw egg, wash it. Don't just wash it with water and say, oh, it's clean. No, you need to wash it with soap and, if possible, warm water to clear out all those bacteria. You know, I'll always give you that bonus tip. Always check for the freshness of your egg. You know, when egg have stayed for too long or they are not even stored properly, they lose their essential nutrients. Yes, one way you can check the freshness of egg, this is a bonus tip, is what we call the float test. So you can put your egg inside water. Here, the egg just as it is, you can see it on the screen there, put it inside the water and observe. If it floats on top, moves to the side, then it's fresh. But if it soaks into the water and just sit down inside there, then it's not fresh. That's one way to know if your egg is fresh or not. And if you have egg that is cracked or is already halfway broken and all of that, it's always best to use it immediately or even discard it. Yes, because the whole bacteria that is around the surface of the egg can contaminate the main egg itself. And lastly, don't say because egg is nutritious, you will not garnish it. Garnish your egg, okay? You can add some spices, but not too much, okay? And you can also add some vegetables like parsley, oregano, whatever you have. Add it to garnish it. That will also add to the nutrients that egg will give to you. And there you have it. These are the top mistakes you make when you're eating egg. Which of these mistakes surprised you, or which of these mistakes do you keep making? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and share to your friends. I'll see you in my next one.